Top of the morning. Quick coffee and we'll get this show on the road. So I didn't get too much filming in last night. To be honest, I was just kind of in the moment, playing a load of card games and things like that with Jumel. Really fun time. Yeah, what a legend, what a guy, what a guy. Anyways, today we've woken up, we've had a quick coffee. He's shot off already. He's got a longer hike on than me, but basically now I'm just about to head off down to Bière, and yeah, that should be another lovely hike. Should be a few really beautiful areas. I'll get a couple of other little views of the lake probably. So yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Ciao, ciao, you beautiful little place. Don't underestimate how difficult these little mounds are to climb. Oh la la. Just stumbled across this little area. I think it's either a winter or a summer place. Maybe people come up to ski or to hike. Probably summer. Solar panel. Yeah, no water source, which that's the only one thing I would say about the Jura. If you come, just be careful, because yeah, it's a difficult place to procure some water. I mean, when it comes to the snow, you're okay obviously in these months, but yeah, as we get further and further on, I wouldn't bet against relying upon that. So yeah, if ever you do come, yeah, bring enough water, bring enough water. Can see all types of tracks here in the snow. Really good obviously if you're a hunter. The snow doesn't hide much. At the moment I'm literally just following these tracks, hoping that it leads me back down to where I want to go. Just a little tip, usually you can see here, if ever you're in snow and you're around a lot of firs, the build up will come to the edge of the imprintment, so you can always tell that it is definitely a print, rather than sometimes you can think it's just ice. You can see here you've got loads of little tiny peaks there, so yeah, just a little heads up there. So as I come across, I can see a lot more greenery in these areas, which hopefully, although I love it, is the end of the snow, because whew, my calves ain't half digging in. Good pump, good pump. Gosh, seen so much snow the last couple of days, and yeah, if I'm not walking on it, I'm drinking it. Finally, I find myself in some more easier to walk areas. Really beautiful, really vibrant, and yeah, whoa, glad to get out of that snow. Really as I said, really challenging to walk on. Really nice though, enjoyable, pleasurable, lovely. So nice being out the snow. Scratch that. Oh, we got the classics on out here. Sing. Radio Lack dropping out the bangers today out here. Thank you to the Dominices, enabling me to get some of the Jura's finest water there. Don't want to take too much. Pretty sure everyone else will be rushing to that, so yeah, let's leave a little bit there for the rest of the world that want to come and drink that extra fresh water there. Tell you what, that Life Straw bottle's really decent actually. Don't get me wrong, the water does taste a little bit like Gollum's been bathing in it, but yeah, other than that, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. No nasties, which is the main thing. This is an epic little forest. What a beauty of a forest. You know, we're getting low when the roads are coming. So I remember this route, and I can see just over here the plains. I know that I'm nearly at the bottom. Ooh la 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 la, El Champione. Now it was yeah, really nice hike down. Well, a really nice hike in general, all total. 3 beautiful days spent up in the mountains. What more could a man ask for? Really feel good with that, happy to get back. Excited to get a shower, all of them kind of things. So back into society. So, just waiting for the train now. Got us a cheeky bottle of Coke Zero. Just gonna guzzle that one down, just get back to Geneva, back to reality. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. As always, appreciate it very much. Hope you enjoyed it. I do usually like to leave you with a beautiful view, but today, unlucky.